Hello everyone, I'm Ananya. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share a sweet corn soup recipe. If you like this recipe, do try it at home and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. I'm taking 1 cup of corn kernels. I will set aside some of the corn kernels because I'm going to use them later. At first I am going to boil the corn kernels. So I am taking some water, adding a little salt to it. And then I am going to add the corn kernels and boil them for 10 minutes. Once they are boiled, drain the water completely. We are going to make a paste out of the boiled corn kernels. You can also keep the water and use it later in the soup. Now wash the corn kernels with cold water before you make a paste. Put them in a blender. Add a little water and blend them into a paste. Now I'm going to add some oil. You can also use butter if you want. I'm going to add the corn paste. And stir it for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm adding some salt and black pepper powder. Mix it properly. And keep stirring for 2 minutes. Now add the water. You can also add milk if you want. Stir and allow the soup to come to a boil. Add a little sugar. Now add the remaining corn kernels. Stir and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. When the soup starts boiling, add a little butter. I'm also adding a little more black pepper powder. You can add some seasoning if you want. add some cornflour paste so that the soup thickens. Stir and simmer for more 2 to 3 minutes. Let the cornflour cook. And my sweet corn soup is ready. Do try it at home as it turned out really yummy, and this soup is really healthy. So if you are on a diet, you can have it with some toasted bread. Make sure to serve it hot. I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning. And yeah, I'm done. Thank you for watching.